Hey, what's going on, guys? What's happening? YouTube, you tuned into the Rules for Rebels, and the title of today's video is going to be Modelo Cough Observation of the Day, or Thought of the Day. People are stupid, and today's video was actually inspired by a conversation I saw on a landlord forum or a real estate investing forum, and somebody was asking if they're allowed to mow the lawn of their rental property with the whole Modelo Cough thing going on. And this kind of springboards off a whole topic of discussions and questions online about, am I allowed to do this activity? Am I allowed to do that activity? As well as people like shaming other people and calling other people idiots for going out and going for a run or taking a walk in the park or something like that. Social distancing does not mean that you have to lock yourself in your closet. That's not whatsoever what this has to do with. It's about avoiding contact with people. So, if you go for a walk, keep 6 feet between you and somebody else. You don't have to lock yourself in your closet. Just take some common sense precautions. Wash your hands. Keep your distance from people. Don't touch your face. Doing these things is going to make you pretty safe. And I've seen a lot of questions online like, am I allowed to go in my backyard? Am I allowed to let my dog outside? Am I allowed to take my dog for a walk? And the one that I saw on this landlord forum today, somebody was asking if they could mow the lawn of the rental property. And as soon as they asked this question, there must have been a half dozen people who were like, do you really think mowing your lawn is an essential thing? Do you really think mowing your lawn is necessary? And while that might be true, mowing the lawn in most parts of the country right now probably isn't necessary. Here in Chicago, I thought about mowing my lawn the other day, but it's just not really growing that much. There's like not even really enough to mow. But are you normally mowing your lawn in groups of a dozen people? Are you normally hugging your tenant when you go over to mow their lawn? Like, if you're not doing these things, it's probably safe to mow your lawn. If mowing the lawn of your rental property involves throwing your lawnmower in your trunk, taking a drive over to your rental property, hopping out, mowing the lawn in the open air, not really coming into contact with anybody, putting the lawnmower back in your trunk or back in the bed of your truck, and then driving home, there's pretty much zero risk of contracting the Modelo Cough doing this. And it's, all the people who are like, oh my gosh, do you really think that's necessary? Like, that's not what social distancing is about, guys. It doesn't mean that you have to lock yourself in the house. It doesn't mean that you're not allowed to do anything productive. Just take some common sense precautions and try to avoid people in doing things like going on a hiking trail, going for a run through your city, mowing your lawn, letting your dog out, walking your dog. These things are not going to put you at risk of catching the Modelo Cough. And I just see so many people freaking out. Maybe stupid's the wrong word, right? People are scared and they're emotional. And when people are scared and when people are emotional, they wind up making kind of stupid decisions. But I just kind of felt the need to make this video. People are still kind of going crazy. And I would hate to see people kind of putting their lives on hold or locking themselves in the house, in their closet, driving themselves crazy because they think that they're not allowed to do anything. They think that they're not allowed to leave the house. They think that being out in the open air is somehow going to cause them to catch the Modelo Cough. I think there's actually a lot of opportunities right now to make money. Pretty much everybody has put their life on hold. I talked about this in a video the other day, but right now, I'm personally finding it kind of hard to stay motivated, right? And it's just like so much chaos going on. It's this, I've talked about this before, it's this very surreal feeling in the air where like everybody else is not doing shit. Business and life and the world has kind of come to a halt. So you almost kind of feel like joining that stagnation. And so I get it, right? Like, I'm really not wanting to get my workouts in. I'm really not wanting to do work on client stuff. Like, I definitely feel the urge to not do shit and play video games as well, but I'm kind of forcing myself to continue on. And I think because so many people are putting their life on standstill right now, I think there's a lot of opportunities right now to go make some money. For those of you guys who run a website, a blog, a YouTube channel, right now a lot of people are in their houses reading blogs, watching YouTube videos, consuming content. So there's never been a better time to be putting out content. And for all those people who are kind of slowing down on their e-commerce, who are stopping e-commerce, who are stopping their blogs, who are stopping what they're doing, here's a chance if you're someone who's just getting started or wants to get started, here's a chance for you to kind of play catch up to some of those people out there. So, realize this doesn't mean you have to put your life on hold. You don't have to lock yourself in your closet. that's really just kind of the message of today's video. I might make a follow-up video on this, but just to let you guys know, it was announced today that YouTube is turning all YouTube viewers onto standard definition instead of high definition. This is to, I guess, avoid breaking the internet. Netflix announced they were doing something similar. You can actually turn your YouTube back onto high definition. Don't bother with my videos because I use the front-facing camera, which probably isn't even high def anyways. But just so you know, you can turn back on high def if you want to. It's just by default. They're turning it off to kind of preserve bandwidth. So that's all I really got for you guys today. Just kind of a short video. If you enjoyed it, go ahead and give the video a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to the channel, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button below, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Later, guys.